Hello, my name is Mika Ironen. In my today's post Machinery Monday topic, we will be looking at is there possibly a top hat wide gap in the bending furnace market offerings. Let's look at the current market offering. From my experience, many of the current systems do not have the following functions or capabilities: proper ergonomics, online glass temperature monitoring, heating properties, annealing phase control properties, glass support systems, additional tooling control systems, fast control options at bending, sufficient visibility into the furnace, repeatability related receipt parameters, which are a vital part of quality production. So you might be asking why a single chamber top hat type design is required. Complex shape bending is an art, a craft that requires correctly designed and functioning furnace technology to produce a quality product. Let's look at what these top hat type single chamber furnace designs can offer. Ergonomical and natural working position, visual reference during bending, suitable for large and complex windshield models, compatibility to various control mechanisms, including automated tooling and bending controls, temperature measurements, individual cooling. These furnaces are also flexible in terms of bending cycles, flexible production, compatibility for short series. Correctly designed top hat type single chamber furnace is an ultimate manufacturing system for complex windshields. That's my personal opinion. What's yours? I'd like to hear that. Please comment below. Is the future with the single or serial bending type furnaces? What's your thoughts? We still need to bend complex shapes for commercial vehicles, industrial vehicles, agricultural vehicles, trains, and many others. In the risk-adverse and conservative and price-sensitive industry we work at, is there sufficient demand for modernized top hat furnaces? What are your thoughts and experiences? I'd be happy to hear them. And if you're interested on a development project, let's connect. Thanks for watching. Awfully long video, many takes. Have a great day. Bye.